In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through the process of logging in to your JCPenney credit card account. JCPenney credit card is actually issued by Synchrony Bank. So to log into this account, you'll need to first open up your web browser and search for jcpcreditcard.com. Once you search for it, it's going to actually open up the website of Synchrony Bank. You can see this login box. Now to log into your account, you'll need to first type in your user ID that you created while signing up and then type in the password. If you don't remember either your user ID or the password, you can click on these links and follow the steps to easily recover either your user ID or the password. If you do remember it, type it in. And if you want this device to remember you the next time you log in, you can check this box. If not, uncheck it and then click on secured login. And if the details entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your JCPenney credit card account. So that's all it takes to log into your JCPenney credit card account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos.